Stay hydrated with my aqua flask. This African talisay is overgrowing in my house. Hello. Thank you for blessing your house with love and energy. And hello to beautiful Jennifer. Stunning, stunning work.
Like that. Head down. Nice shot.
Bang!
Cool. Nice one.
Kulang. Konti. Kulang. Kulang konti. Three step din sa patit lang.
Pwede niya siyang ipat, pwedeng pitch.
Pit na lang, no?
Mas maganda. Para lang kayo nagpapat. Maiksi lang. Nice pitch.
Uy, stop. Okay lang. Lang.
Diretso.
Diretso ba?
Diretso.
Okay. Okay.
Konting bagal yan. Nice pot!
Yes!
One pot.
Perfect! See, I have a cheat code.
Okay. Nice shot! Very, very nice shot.
Thank you! Thank you! Thank you!
And as some of you might know, hindi po talaga ako ganun kagaling. At kadalasan po ng things that you see on my Instagram stories are my trampo shots. Kaya naman po, uwi na po natin. Because we are still not so good.
We have a palpak shot. Pero okay lang yun. Sana, kung masave na to. Full swing ate?
Yes po.
Okay, try.
Open club.
Open.
Para umangat. Out!